Hashtag fun with brain lesions. Look at this awesome book. All the choices of activities. You have TV, music, read, nap, or go for a walk. That's all you got. And then feelings. Happy, sad, mad, hungry, thirsty. Where's the oh, there he is. The frustrated guy's the best. Tired. Pain. Sick. He doesn't look sick. Okay. And frustrated. Frustrated is the coolest. Look at the sun on him. Whoa. I'm frustrated. Just, smooth operator. Where is your pain? It's in my bottom. Yeah. This is silly. Scales of pain. Fine. Very bad. What are we gonna do here? Wash up. We're gonna brush our teeth. Take a shower. Change clothes. Or put the lotion in the basket, or else it gets the hose again. Put on lotion. Yeah. Yes. Is a big happy puffy yellow thing? No, it's a red X. That's for the hatred of Native Americans. Numbers. These are the different rooms we could go to. Living room, downstairs, closet, laundry room, kitchen. These are communication strategies. You could repeat something. I don't understand. What go ahead? That face. I don't understand with the X. Looks Charlie Manson. Say it slowly. Write it down. Show me. What time is it? Needs / help. I need nurse, doctor. I need a wash. What? Reposition. Look at how they put him in here. They put him in the chair. Totally wrong. I would want to be repositioned too. Or take a break. Chilling out. Taking a break. Or a foot brace. You know, a common thing you would ask for. And these are needs. You go to the bathroom. Wheelchair. Bed. Clothes. Medicine. I need some medicine. Yeah. I don't get any more medicine until what time? 9. Till 1. It's gonna be a rough morning. Therapy. More. No picture for more. Stop. Pain. My arm's killing me. Okay. You do an okay sign. That's so stupid. I need to take a break. Chillin'. Cold chillin'. And these are topics you could have. Possibly talk about your family or current events / news. Friends. Medical. Pets. Or your schedule. That's it. That's all you get to talk about with their choices. TV, music, read, and nap, or what? What are we rocking now? Some Janet Jackson. Pool's closed. Look, they reposition my crest. That's how they get you. Cactus love. Need to fill that with beer and ice. Cause it's my birthday! Woo! There's a little cactus. God bless.